But just want to say, if this is your first time to the channel, enough love. Big up yourself for clicking on FadaGugs Channel. Don't be afraid to like, share, and also subscribe on the channel if you want more content and more video like these. And just a shout out to all of the people who have been supporting FadaGugs over the months. Big up on yourself, enough respect and enough love for sticking out with FadaGugs. Because the channel is growing, it'll grow slowly but surely. As I always say, one cocoa, full basket. So big up on yourself. Yes people, FadaGugs is here again today with another simple but very effective video. Well, today's video, I'm going to work on the liver. Because you see the liver now, the liver play a big part in our body. And if the liver not function right, it not going to do its job properly. So every now and again, we need to just give the liver like a little boost to kind of make it know say, we not forgot you, we still know say you're dead. So this juice today is a liver cleanse juice. So some of the ingredients them I'm going to be adding into this liver cleanse juice. I'm going to be adding 2 nice size beetroot. And beetroot, it can delay premature aging. It can improve our skin. It can also be good during pregnancy. It may lower our blood pressure. Can be good for our heart. And the beetroot, it can also promote liver health, boost up our energy level, and it also may fight inflammation. Blueberry. I'll be adding 1 cup of blueberry inside it. And blueberry often been labeled as a superfood because it's full of nutrients and it is widely popular. The blueberry, it is low in calories but high in nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, and many more. The blueberry is also the king antioxidant. That alone is supposed to tell you how powerful the blueberry is. The blueberry can also reduce DNA damage, which may help to protect against aging and also cancer. The blueberry, it protects the cholesterol in your blood from becoming damaged. It may also lower blood pressure. It may help protect against heart disease. And one of the things I like about the blueberry, it maintains brain function and it can also improve our memory. Next, I'll be adding 2 nice sized carrots. And carrot is a good source of fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidant. The carrot is also known to lower cholesterol level and also improve our eyes. Broccoli. I'll be adding about half a cup of broccoli. And the broccoli is packed with vitamins, mineral, and bioactive compound. The broccoli also contains antioxidants that offer health protective effect. The broccoli have bioactive compound that may contribute to reduce inflammation. It may protect against certain type of cancer. Antioxidant and fiber may aid in blood sugar control. It may also support your heart health in various ways, promote healthy digestion, and it can also reduce constipation. The broccoli, it may slow mental decline and support a healthy brain function. It may also slow the process of aging. I'll be adding 1 nice size lime. If you have a lemon, you can use a lemon instead, but I'm using a lime. And the lime are high in vitamin C and antioxidant and will offer a lot of health benefits. Eating the lime or drinking the lime juice may improve immunity, reduce heart disease risk factor, prevent kidney stone, aid iron absorption, and promote a healthy skin. Apple. I'm adding 1 apple into this juice as well. And the apple, we know the apple widely popular, but the apple it also contains antioxidant, vitamins, dietary fiber, and a range of other nutrients. Ginger. I'll be adding a nice piece of ginger inside this juice. And ginger, it is loaded with antioxidant compound that prevents stress and damage to the body's DNA. The ginger, it may also help your body to fight off chronic disease like high blood pressure, heart disease, and disease associated with our lungs. Then I'll be adding 2 cups of water. Remember, don't put too much water in the juice or else you're not going to get the benefit what you're supposed to get. So that's just a brief description of all of the ingredients I've got here. I'll put a more detailed one in the description box below so you can go and have a look. So if you like the information that you're getting from FadaGugs so far, just give me a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. So now, let's just start the process of making the juice. For kind of speed up the video, I'm just gonna wash all of my ingredients them, peel them, and then I will get back to you. So here we have it now, people. I've already peeled all of the ingredients them and give them a good wash. So right now, all we need to do, I just cut them up and put them inside of the blender and start make that beet and berry liver cleanse juice. So I've got my blender here, so all we need to do, I just start the process. You can just drop the broccoli, just eat a one cut and just drop the broccoli inside it, just like that. With the carrot, you just need to just cut it up slightly so that's the blender have a little bit of work and it not strain the blender too much. So just cut them up slightly, that's them easier for blend up in the blender. With the apple, the same thing. Just cut the apple, just cut it up. Yeah, so that's it, just easy for blend in the blender. With the blueberry, you just throw the blueberry in the blender. And the ginger, I've peeled the ginger, I've peeled off the skin off of the ginger. So now I'm just cutting it up, drop it inside there. The lemon as well, just give it a quick peel, just give it a couple cut and you're good to go. With the beetroot now, you have to take time with the beetroot because it will stain anything. So you just peel it, cut it up. Look at my hand, so you have to be very careful with the beetroot when time you use the beetroot. If you have anything when you really want to get nasty up, don't really use that when you do the beetroot. Give it a cut. Look at my hand, so I need to go and wash off my hand and back. So now, what we do, we just throw 2 cups of water inside it, just like that. What we're going to do is just put these to the side, get them out the way so you can have a better look. So here we have it. Put on our lid. I'll back up this a bit so you can have a better look. So here we have it, people. Look at that nice color, man. Very colorful. So what we are going to do now, I'm going to just bring back the blender and just drop it on top of it. So here we have it, all ready to start the process of making that nice beet and berry liver cleanse juice. So let's just start the process. So here we have it, people, all blend, looking nice. So what we're going to do now, we're going to strain it off because we're making a juice. So I've got my bowl with my straining bag. You can use a strainer if you haven't got a straining bag. Yeah, that looks nice and rich. So basically just throw it in the container and just strain it off. Get out that nice and rich juice out of it. Yeah, and just squeeze it. Get out that lovely juice. Yeah, that's nice, man. Yes, people. So here we have it. All finished strain. Looking nice. Just get my wooden spoon. Just give it a nice stir. And then just taste it. See what I go on. Yeah, that tastes lovely. So what I need to do now, just get back my chopping board so I can put it in a nice little jar so you can have a look. There we have it. So what I need to do now, just throw that beet and berry liver cleanse juice. That's nice. Look at the rich color. That is lovely. So what I need to do now, just put some of the ingredients them beside it. Kinda make it look nice a bit. Last but not least, the broccoli on the top. This is the final product. Beetroot and berry liver cleansing juice. And don't forget, if too much toxins bacteria, chemical, medication, and all of them things that are inside our body, the liver nah go perform how it's supposed to perform. It nah go work properly. So all this juice do, this juice just give the liver some assistance so it can work how it's supposed to work and get rid of all of them things out our body. So if you like the video today from FadaGugs, just give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. And as always, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with everybody. For now, until next time, FadaGugs is out.